Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Training Gurukul. A very quick, short video. This is with respect to a free event that I'm conducting on 11th of July in the morning, 11 a.m. How to trade candlesticks using time cycles. We have been doing fabulously well, and the way people have responded to these kind of webinars have been simply fantastic. I thought then why not to conduct these webinars in order to spread that awareness that how to time the market to the very day, very hour and to the very minute. Yes, ये possible है. आप market को time कर सकते हो to the very moment. It is possible to do that. See, it's a game of probability. If someone said you that it can do it every time, वो possible नहीं है. It's a probability outcome, and I'm going to give you this science on 11th of July in the morning, 11 a.m., which is a free webinar for 2 hours. I'm conducting it on a Zoom platform. What you will have to do is you have to register on wavestrategy.com/webinar. Once you register, we will also be sending you a free bonus videos. So we will give you bonus videos in order to enhance your learning. Now think it in a way. I have seen markets. I worked with Lehman Brothers before. I've seen how the markets move. And these are so simple, powerful technique that you can even time it. Okay. Majority of the traders might be right in the direction of the trend. But have you timed the market yet? Did you make lot of money when you are able to capture that trend and see, wow, it's going fabulously? So for example, suppose if I expect that the market should be forming a low somewhere around 12:30 p.m. on a Monday, and it forms a low somewhere around 12:35, and then it bounced back, and then I combine a candlestick and say, okay, now it has formed a good reversal smiley candlestick pattern, and now I'm going to take a trade on that, and then your conviction is skyrocket high. So for trading, you require confidence, you require a clear plan and a strategy. That is what I'm going to give it to you on a Sunday, 11 a.m. See, anyways, it's a free day and you have time to spend it with me where I am going to teach you. Now, why me? I'm a chartered market technician. I'm an engineer, by the way. I have nearly 15 years of experience. I have authored a book, Effective Trading in Financial Markets in Technical Analysis. That book is launched globally in London, in US, and very clearly I mentioned in that how to take a trade. So if you want to learn something, learn it from someone who has done it, who has seen it, and who has been in the market for more than decades. And I have been the one who has been practicing right from the most basics of technical analysis to the most advanced that you can think of. Yes, I can practice. I practice Elliott wave. I do Neo waves. I do time cycles. But what I'm going to tell you and teach you is for everyone and anyone who can practice it from the very next day. It's not for people who are trying to just think that it's too hard. No, I'm not able to get it. I'm just starting with technical analysis or I'm just starting with trading. I'm telling you, this webinar is going to be an eye opener for you. It's going to change the way you look at the market. It's going to change, it's going to transform you as a trader and possibly change the way you live life. It's going to do that, and that is what I'm going to give you in these 2 hours of webinar. You have nothing to lose. You can ask your family members to attend this. You can ask your friends to attend this. Above that, you will also be getting free bonus videos. 3 bonus videos I'm going to give it to you, whoever is registering for this webinar. So ensure you don't have to do anything. You have to just sit there, give your time to me, and I'm going to make it happen for you. So what has happened is many people are running here and there trying to figure out what went wrong with markets. Nothing is wrong with markets. Markets are doing what it has to do. What we need to do is to understand the direction, time it well, and ride that trend. That is what we have to do. So this webinar is going to be on the Zoom platform. Also, we go full in this webinar. So you need to ensure you are there 10 minutes prior to the webinar start, which is on 11th of July. And you need to ensure you stay back. You can call your friends, your family members, just invite them, ask them to attend something like this, and you will be fascinated to see how to time the market. Now, something like this, ये जो चीज है ये अवेलेबल है खाली big fund managers, hedge funds. They have been practicing timing the market for so long. I want to get that technique down to you, how to time the market. Now, if you don't believe me, simply attend and you will be thrilled to the core, because it's going to transform you the way you look at the markets. It's going to change the way you trade, and you can possibly make a lot of money. Yes, but understand there is always a risk. So we need to discuss about risk also, which is what we are going to do. If someone told you getting rich is easy, I'll tell you, no, you need to take that step. You need to take that action. You need to move forward. It's not just sitting there and you will get it. You need to do that. Many people are struggling. I've come across so many of the people who have lost your job, 50% salary cut. There is no certainty. I lost my job in Lehman Brothers 2008. Then that was an eye opener, that something you have to do on your own to survive, not only survive, to thrive. And that is what is possible if you are trading in the markets. You can, but you need confidence and you need a plan. You need risk management. You need those tools, and I'm going to give it to you. So get ready to be thrilled on Sunday 11 a.m. and which is 11th of July, by the way, and enjoy that session. So simply register on wavesstrategy.com/webinar. And trust me, see, like I'm traveling right now, but I'm still working. I can work remotely if I want to. I can travel, I can enjoy, I can do whatever I want. Don't you want that financial freedom? If yes, then this is for you. And in case of any queries, you can simply contact us on 99204 Drop a WhatsApp there if you have any doubts, and you will be registered for that. So this is on a Zoom platform. We are going to do it on Sunday. So ensure you visit wavestrategy.com/webinar and register and enroll yourself there. And we are going to do it together, and you will be thrilled how to time the market using candlestick and time cycles, plus some bonus videos for you, which I'm going to give it to you. Thank you very much. This is Ashish Kyal from Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul, a learning series by wavestrategy.com, and you are going to enjoy with me trading the markets the way it works. Thank you.